Welcome to another Unnecessary Computer Things. Today we're racing 0 print versus 10 print. This is a random character generating version of the maze code that you find on a Commodore computer. This is just random characters in this case because there aren't really those slash graphic characters. First we're starting off launching 0 print and 10 print via macro, with 0 print going milliseconds sooner. As you can see, the 0 print, which is already optimized, is a little bit faster than the 10 print. Now we're going to race, starting with 10 print first and then 0 print, and you'll see 0 print catch up pretty quickly. Print. There you go. So 0 print runs a little bit faster due to the go-to 0 being default and having fewer characters to parse. But I just figured I wanted to try that out on Z80, TRS-80, Model 1 emulator instead. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.